they've all dove again. They were up for a nice time, but we'll have to wait. Patience is the best thing with these guys, because with any species of whale, dolphin, or porpoise, if you try to approach it really fast, they usually get disturbed and they don't stay at the surface as long. And of course, you guys wanting to watch whales want them to stay at the surface for a little while. So it's slow and steady, rinse the race. Now these guys can go down for 20 minutes, and they're often down about 8 to 12. Oh, there's a minke whale.
Yeah, I just saw that.
The minke whale is the third species of whale for us today. The minke whale looks very much like a very small fin whale. Slightly sharper dorsal fin, if it will pop up again. But we call the minkies the stinky minkies. Their breath does stink, but also because they can be very difficult to watch. They're very sneaky, and they get lost among the waves very easily. They're about a 30-foot long whale. So again, small is relative in terms of the
There he is again.
world. Yeah. Is it one that I know? No, it is not. So what I'm doing is I'm taking pictures of the dorsal fins of the whale and their coloration patterns as well. That allows us to track individuals. So see who's coming back every year, who's hanging out with who. Minke whales are extremely solitary compared to the fin whales. There was another minke on the horizon to the front left of the boat. And the reason these two species are in the area is because there's food here. That's the most likely reason. Just like us going to find the best spots to eat, so do the whales. And most of the time their movement relies very heavily on where their food is going. So here these large whales are eating mainly small schooling fish, herring, capelin, mackerel. There was the minke whale again. And so you might think, oh well, 8 to 12 minutes is a long time to spend waiting for a whale. But the fact of the matter is, there's a minke whale way out there again too. We're gonna wait for the big guys to come up though. The fact of the matter is, oh, there's another minke whale. The fact of the matter is that there's some whales that go down for up to 2 hours in duration, diving over 2 kilometers. Those are the sperm whales. Oh, a bit around behind you.
What's up with the stern? Usually with the big guys, you can hear them.
Oh, there's a blowhole right there. Look. Oh, there's another one. Wow.
Oh no, he's coming over here.
Wow.
1, 2, there's 3 of them.
Oh, that's cool.
Right in front of us.
I know, that's what I was just thinking.
Because you usually don't get to see 3 in a row. Usually it's one time.
Yeah, I think there's more than 3.
Showing off. Oh my god. They're huge. Wow, so beautiful.
They look so smooth, eh?
They do. Go pet them. Wow. Oh my god. Woo! Do a flip.
Yeah, right.
These guys don't come out of the water.
Oh,
It'd make an awful splash if they did.
wow.